Oh, I got some. Oh my God, that was a good one. And he was right here at the tunnel. Oh yeah. Stacked up at this tunnel. All right, y'all. I am out here in Ashland City, Tennessee. And we're gonna try to catch some fish today. I haven't made a fishing video in a long time, but I've kayaked myself out here and we're gonna see what we can get. Oh yeah. There we go, right there at the tunnel. So first fish of the day, y'all. He got both sets of trebles. Look at those dark lips. I got dark lip Larry over there. Check that out. First fish on that little crankbait right there. Alright, y'all. Number one. Alright, at least we caught a fish. No skunk. was a very subtle bite. All right, so there's another tunnel just like this that's out over there, and that's, I'm about to hit that other tunnel. I can't believe my GoPro battery's dying so fast. I've had it on for 30 minutes and we are now at 10% battery. I can't believe that. Maybe I'll change it to 1080p or something and try to conserve battery, but that's pretty wild. But we're gonna try to go to that other tunnel. We're gonna see, like right down there, and we're gonna see if we can get anything. Caught my first one on a crankbait, so you know, maybe that's the pattern. Maybe it's the crankbait day. We'll see. Oh gosh, that rock's moving. That's not good. I don't want to get my foot wet. All right, y'all. We got to go over there. It's not very far. It's not that bad. There we go, another bass. Oh, see, bud? All right, well, I'm gonna count that one because I got up on the bank, so whatever. Oh, I got some. Oh, I got some. Oh my God, that was a good one, and he was right here at the tunnel. That's insane. Oh yeah, stacked up at this tunnel. Ooh, that's a colorful one. I want to land that one. Looks like he's hooked pretty good. Whoa, look at that one. What's he been eating? I don't know. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show this one off for the big camera. That's about a 2.5 pounder. Look, there's yellow in his tail. Look at that. Yellow on its fins and in its tail. So look at this one, y'all. Look at that. That's about a 2.5 pounder right there. But look at that. Yellow fins with black, yellow and black fins. We've been eating crawfish. You see that red mouth? Those red lips. All right. We're gonna get the release on this guy because that's a pretty fish. Awesome. Awesome. Y'all, so I think I have my first crappie on right here. Yep. It's not a keeper. It's a little bit short. Got him on that right there. We're just gonna verify that he's short. That'll touch. He touches 10. He touches 10. Oh, I missed another one. Let's try to go just a little bit shallower. All right, the lure of the day. This right here. Doesn't even have any eyes on it. Yeah, that's the lure of the day. Here, maybe it'll zoom in better. There we go. I wouldn't have basically caught much at all without this. Threw that crankbait on and it was game on.